How can I make a TikTok video with pictures and text? Now it is very simple to make TikTok video with pictures or text or whatever else it is. First of all is that you can tap the plus icon and you can choose a template. So here you can tap the templates option, and if you like a certain template of a certain slideshow format, then you can just select that and you can tap on the try this template option, and you can add a couple of photos to the template and just hit the next option right there. And once you've done that, it will basically create a slideshow for you based on the template and the photos that you've chosen. But if you're not satisfied with this, you want to basically create your own slideshow, you can also tap that by coming to post option, selecting this and selecting the photos that you want to add, then tap the next option right there. Now you can choose to add a text to these images by tapping this text icon right here and just going ahead and then selecting that, and then you can see that we would have been able to add text. If you want only in that image, you can go to that image and then add them right there. So this way you'll be able to make video with pictures and text on TikTok. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.